What's up guys, Hearting Zone here. Before I start the video, can I please ask everyone who's watching, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and please consider subscribing. I will be posting more content in the near future. Give me a second. Sorry, my dogs are having a hissy fit outside. Anyway, today we're going to be installing RAM into a laptop. So if you guys don't know how to do that, this is the video you're going to want to watch. We need one of these. Alright, most of the time it's one of these screwdrivers, so we're going to need one of those. There's the laptop here. It's a Lenovo. I'm using one of the most common kind of laptops because, well, that's probably what you guys will be using. And I'm just going to switch to the other camera just so that you guys can get a better view. I'm just going to do this right here on my bed. So what you're going to want to do is just get rid of this back plate. So you just untighten this. Try not to strip the screw, sorry. Screw it all the way. Let's put them somewhere you're not going to lose them. Sorry, I'm doing this handhold. One hand holding the camera, one hand holding the screwdriver. And the camera just wants to focus on my hand the whole time. But you guys get what you need to do. So unscrew the screw. Okay. This will be a lot easier when I actually fix a tripod to my setup. I have one, I'm just too lazy to get it out right now. And I really just want to get this RAM sorted out. Alright, so let's get that last one out. Put on the others. And then you just slide the back off. Should be easy, just hold tight, pull it down. And just lift it up. Alright. Okay, so now this RAM slot has got RAM in it. It's got 4 gigs. This one's got nothing in it. So now this is the same if you want to put RAM in as if you want to take RAM out. If you want to take RAM out, you see it's got these little pins on the side. Let me just zoom in there. If you zoom in, you'll see these little pins. You just hit one, hit the other one, and the whole thing just pops out. You just slide it in. I'm going to put it back in, push it down. Then the next one, new RAM, you want to make sure that this little pin lines up. So you go here to where it lines up, slide it in, put your finger on it, and gently push it down. So both the clips clip into place. Then you can take the cover, put it back on, because you're done. Like that's it. That's how easy it is. You can start it up and you'll see that your computer will have the amount of RAM that you just inserted. So this one will be running on 8 gigs now. You just put the screws back in place. Don't forget to put them back because these cases do tend to fall off. I know I have been lazy in the past and left the screws out because I didn't think I needed them, especially on this laptop over here. It's got clips on it so you can unscrew it and let it go, but that's not wise because now the thing can fall off. So I actually ended up putting in new screws. But anyway, that's how you do it. It's pretty damn easy. And now you guys have more RAM in your computer, or you fixed your RAM or whatever you needed to take your RAM out for. Maybe you're just curious. Now you know. So thanks for watching. Check you guys next time. Cheers.